Lace and Roses is a brand new paper pack from Hot Off the Press, and we are so excited. Like all of Hot Off the Press's paper packs, there are 12 papers. You're going to get 2 of each one I'm going to show you. Everything is double-sided. They are 80-pound paper. They are paper. They are not cardstock. They're not meant to be cardstock. And in every package, you will see some ideas, and that's what's really great. And I'm about to show you both the scrapbook page and the card, as well as the coordinating items that go perfectly with these papers. Now, you may find some other items, and that's just great, but these will get you started. You'll notice that this has a decorative edge right there with a drop shadow behind it. Really pretty. There are the roses, there is the lace, and as I said, they're double-sided, so on the back side you're getting a pink overall very light pattern. Then we have some Battenberg lace right there, just lovely. And on the back side, more Battenberg coming into the center. Now, if you are a card maker, you know that you can make 4 cards out of every single sheet. And you can do some beautiful things with these large patterns. Now we have this one going into the yellows, very soft yellow, more of the lace, more of the roses. You can pick and choose what you want to use. On this side, we've got the tone-on-tone. So we've got the tan with the white, again, that decorative edge. Then we've gone into the green with that beautiful border of more lace, as you would expect. And here we have 2 sides, actually 4 sides, that have that decorative edge, just really pretty. And it's going to be something special in your scrapbooking or your card making or your tags or whatever. Here is a frame piece, just really pretty. Again, card makers, think of it in quarters and you'll have some beautiful things. Here is, again, the light yellow. We've got some tone-on-tone roses over here and more of the flowers. Brand new in every single package, there are going to be cutouts, and there are 20 tags and labels in this one because you're going to get 2 of each one. On the back side, you've got an all-over pattern, so absolutely nothing goes to waste. Now, would you like to see some things that coordinate? Well, of course, ribbons. Yellow ribbons and light pink ribbons. You can see that they're going to be perfect. Then we're going to get into flowers. Here are the Country Blooms by 49th and Market. And then we have some glitter butterflies. Yes, I'll show you these on a project in just a minute. Now, these are in limited supply, so I just want you to know that, but we're really good for the 49th and Market. Then we also have Dazzles. Now, this is a special collection. You're going to get 2 different designs. These are the 8x9 sheets, but you're going to get 4 sheets of each one. You're going to get black, white, silver pearl, and gold pearl, and you get it on both of them. So 8 sheets altogether. That's just a very unique assortment, and it goes perfectly with these papers. And we also have some of the sparklets. Now, this happens to be Winter Wishes. Now, don't be fooled by the title, because you can see that those pinks and clear and white just go beautifully with these papers. Speaking of going beautifully with the papers, here is a card. Let me scoot this away so you can really see it. You can see the cutout piece. You can see the dazzles. This is a cutaway card, so you're going to get that lacy dazzle border on both the front and the inside. And the dazzles are backed with some of the same paper. Those sparklets are also added right there. You can see them shimmering in the light, our yellow ribbon. And scrapbookers, we have not forgotten you. We do have a scrapbook page, and here it is. This is that green sheet, and doesn't it look beautiful with the dazzles? Now, the dazzles, as you saw, come in black, white, gold, and silver. So here's the white, just really beautifully accenting that photo. Beauty is the dazzle that was on that sheet. You can see these flourishes coming. Those are also dazzles. Our 49th and Market flowers just do a beautiful job, as do our glittering butterflies. Really, really nice. And I love how the designer put the flowers just kind of playfully into the swirls along that page. Just an absolute beautiful look. So, just to recap, we've got brand new papers, Lace and Roses paper collection with all the things that coordinate. They're in stock now.